Hello and welcome back to another Stable Lease YouTube video. This is the all-powerful RSQ3 from Audi. Now this is an absolute beast and I actually have no negatives about this car. So I'm going to say my top 10 things that I absolutely love about this beast. So let's get straight into it. So then let's kick it off with the power of this SUV. Now this is the 2.5 litre engine. Now this is a petrol version, the TFSI. Now this has got a 0 to 62 time in 4.5 seconds. Top speed of 155 miles per hour. 395 brake horsepower and 354 newton meters of torque. Now this is an absolute beast. It's got RS1 and RS2 driving modes, which we'll get onto very shortly, and we'll hear it a little bit later in the video, so stay tuned. But this is an absolute powerhouse. Now to go with that power, these are resting on the 21-inch 5V spoke polygon design finished in the gloss black. Now these look aggressive and so sporty. They look so mean from the side profile. I love black alloys. It just blends so nicely, it gives it a more sporty feel. But they actually have the red RS brake calipers that even more spice up that sportiness. Now then, one of my favourite features on a car from now on, and that is this panoramic sunroof. So you do have a cover on for them darker days, but look how big the panoramic sunroof is. And now I open it, look how much light it lets in for these beautiful seats that you get. Now it has got the tinted panoramic sunroof, so it doesn't let that much light in when you don't want it to, but it's a sunny day and look how much it brightens up this interior. And that's my third point why I absolutely love a panoramic sunroof. So then I've told you it's awesome power statistics, but check these out, the two huge oval exhausts that you get on the back of the vehicle. Now these look so aggressive and they give out an epic sound. So let's go hear it. I was going to show you the seats in the front, but these are much cooler because these are more practical for the bigger and the smaller passengers. Now these has a lever underneath that makes it move forward and back. So these two are joined and that one is separate, which makes these great for the adults or the kids in the back that you've got for the RSQ3. So then we're past halfway. And if you have enjoyed this video so far, give me a thumbs up, it always helps. But with the RSQ3, you do get the black edition features, such as the black edition logo, the black RSQ3 badging. You do get a tiny small black edition trim around the big grille, but you get it on the air intakes and smallly on the front splitter as well. It's half body coloured and half black edition, so it's a bit of a shame. But it's much better if it's full black front splitter. But nevertheless, they're just some cool features that you get on the front design. Not to mention, you also get a black side skirt, the black wing mirror and the black trim around the doors, the black rear diffuser, the black RSQ3 badging and logo, and finally a little bit on the extended roof spoiler. So then up next is the steering wheel. Now this is the leather multifunctional flat-bottomed RS steering wheel. Now these are really comfy and easy to navigate. Shame it's not Alcantara, but then again day-to-day use and the amount of grease that you'll get on your hand transferred onto the Alcantara steering wheel, so that's much prefer the leather steering wheel. It's really easy to hold and handle, and you've got the black gear pedals just behind it. So that is my 7th topic. So then up next is the boot space, and this is a massive key point because going on big trips, and that is vital where you put the stuff. So this doesn't have the powered tailgate, but it's got the automatic tailgate, so with one click of a button the boot will automatically open, showing you this huge space that you get in the RSQ3. It's got 530 litres of boot space, but them seats can be folded down and give you a whopping 1,525 litres, which is plenty for your golf clubs, shopping and them camping trip space. So then with this RSQ3, this also comes with the comfort and sound pack, and that comes with 3 added features such as heated front seats, you've got the 2-zone climate control, and you can feast your ears to the Bang & Olufsen sound system, the 3D premium sound. It sounds absolutely insane. If you love to listen to music on them long journeys, then it's definitely an upgrade for you. And come with the winter months, the heated front seats and the 2-zone climate control is a definite must. So that's my 9th point about this beautiful RSQ3. So then my 10th and final point has got to be the colour. Now this is finished in the Daytona grey metallic. It looks stunning. I wouldn't change this colour because it blends really nicely with the black edition alloys and the black edition features that you get all around the car, especially with the panoramic sunroof. You get that black as well. It just blends really nicely. If you had a black Mythos black colour, then these would be lost, and that's a bit of a shame because you're paying all that money and then features to just get lost. But that comes to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I have loved doing a brief review on this beautiful Audi RSQ3. If you have any comments, let me know down in the comment section. I love reading them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but we'll be here every Friday publishing another review. But until next week, I'll see you later.